Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of my boy Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? And he got another channel on whatever. Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? I call him TP, the Tesla picker, picking for a Tesla. And I got a new one. Have you ever heard of the Texas picker? Yeah, watch his videos. Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I got a little what sold video. You know what I'm saying? I got some things that I sold. I sold 11 things. Actually, it's 12. Somebody didn't pay for something yet. So, just one little item somebody didn't pay for, a little Christmas item. But other than that, I sold 11 items. But let's get to it, y'all. First thing up, just one of them dollar pickups from Walmart. Y'all seen that video on how to source during the pandemic. You know what I'm saying? I paid $1 for this. This sold for $10.30 and $2 shipping and handling with this. Number two. You ain't gonna believe this. You all need to go to the farm stores, look in their clearance. I've been successful. I paid $4 for this. It's like a pump rebuild. You rebuild a pump, whatever. I don't know. I paid $4. I sold it for $30. Plus, I think the $5 shipping and handling. $30 for this. I bought every last one of them, 7 of them. And all them different ones, all them different prices. But I got it, y'all. Ooh, $4, $30. Remote control. I paid $1 for this at the Goodwill. And I seen Matt. Matt sold one of these. That's why I looked at that name. I think it was Matt. It might have been TP. But they sold one of these. The same one. And I saw one and I bought it. This sold for $14.70 free shipping. I paid $1 for it. You know, remote control's $1 at Goodwill and stuff. Okay, next, I sold them lights, a set of them lights, y'all. I already packed them up. They're already packed up and ready to go. Okay, $155 for that, plus free. I put free shipping on it. It's gonna cost me probably about $20-something to ship. You know, I paid $5 a piece for those lights, so that's $20 in that box. It's 4 of them. That's $20 in that box. I sold them for $155. Minus 20 is minus 20 is $130, $135, whatever. And the shipping and handling 20. I made over $110 on those lights. When the fees come out, probably a little bit over $100 for those lights. And that's I'm taking the fee out that I paid for them, $20 a piece. Shipping was probably another $20. That's $40, plus $15 fees and stuff like that. I made a little bit over $100 from $20. I don't know what to tell y'all. Whatever. And then another guy sent me an email today. Now I just put them lights on there last week. Y'all saw me. Another guy sent me an email, said he want 8. He offered me $245 for 8 of them, and that's all I got left is 8. So. That's how much is that? $310 or something like that. $155 a piece. Yeah, that's $310. $310. I told him, I said $275. $275 you can have them. Plus, I have free shipping on that though. Plus, you pay shipping. I haven't heard from him since though. But I don't care. Somebody gonna buy them. These the only ones on eBay. The only lights like these. So somebody gonna buy them. So I don't care. I'll hold on to them. Anyway, I need to comb my beard. Damn, the beard messed up. Anyway, what is that? Number 4. Number 3. I don't know what this is, y'all. You put it on to stimulate your muscles or whatever. I want to say I paid $3 for this at Goodwill. And this one sold for $30 plus shipping and handling. $30. Okay. Sonic Unleashed. I sold this for, $12.40. $12.40 plus $2 shipping and handling. You all know I sell at least 4 or 5 games a week. And I just put a shelf up here with all my games on it. And I mean, that's not all my games. Just the PS2s. Basically the PS2s. And some Xbox games are up there. 2 6-foot shelves full of games. Anyway, I gotta put a third one up to put my PS3s on there. $14 and how much I say this was? $12.40. I sold another one of these. This is my last one. My mold trap. I sold this. The customer brought another one. He didn't know I had another one, so he brought another one. The same customer. It's $23.10 plus $3 shipping and handling. I messed it. I lost on this one because it's gonna cost a lot to send this. Okay, y'all remember this game right here? It's in one of my videos. Camera up. I had it on eBay for $80. I sent the offer to a guy for $75. He bought it. That's what it is. $75, brand new game. I don't know what to tell you. I paid $2 for my games, for my board games. $2. That's all I pay for them. Shipping and handling is free. I just put this on the video last week. This Pizza Hut ashtray. I just bought it last week for $1. Vintage Pizza Hut ashtray. I just sold this for $25. I paid $1 for it. I got another one. Here go the other one. It's etched though. It's not painted like that. $25. Okay, Smash Brothers. Y'all seen the video I made with this? I paid $2 for these games. Remember I told y'all I was buying these games and I didn't really need to buy them. I paid $2 for it. This sold for $20.90. $20.90. Okay, this is another one of those games that I bought in bulk back in the day. I probably got about 6 or 7 of these on eBay. This Sonic for Game Gear. I got a Game Gear too. I'm not selling that. But anyway, this sold for $10. I had them on there for $15. I sent the guy $10, whatever. I'm trying to get rid of them because they've been on there for a while. So I sent him a $10 offer. He took it. So $10. Anyway, y'all, that's my last item. I'm trying to cut these videos a little short. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to because I could talk all night. I'm just telling y'all now. I could be on there all night if I want to. But anyway, y'all, I want to make a quick video about what I sold. I complained the last time I ain't selling number 4 or 5 items. But other day, people just buying the heck out of stuff. And you all tell me whether this new system eBay had us sign up for is right. I think it'd be okay because people with credit cards and people with debit cards can buy stuff that I was just taking PayPal. Anybody had PayPal, because y'all know PayPal is security for me, because if somebody try to gank you, you know what I'm saying, you PayPal to get your money back. So it was just security for me. I like paying for everything through PayPal. So, but right now, it's people that I didn't accept their credit card. Just think how many customers that we wasn't accepting payment the way they wanted to pay, that didn't have PayPal. You know what I'm saying? Just thinking about that. How many customers can buy it now that wasn't able to buy it from me before? And I guess eBay gonna take care of it, or transaction gonna go through eBay or something. But I know one thing. I read the policy, and they gonna collect the money, and give it to you. So that's good, because I don't want to chase nobody for my stuff. If you buy something from me, then I'm not gonna send it to you. You know what I'm talking about. If you don't pay, I'm not sending it to you. But anyway, so I don't know what the hell I'm just thinking about. Because if you buy something, you got to pay for it for me to send it. So I don't know what I was just saying. I'm old. Whatever. Sometimes stuff just come out. I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, y'all, I wanted to make this video. I hope y'all wearing y'all mask. I hope y'all being safe out there. Don't forget what everybody say. Watch out for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You got people out there saying, don't wear your mask. People out there arguing with you about wearing a mask. They want to be free not to wear a mask, but they don't want you to wear a mask. Ain't that stupid? You mess with their freedoms by telling them to wear a mask, but they don't care nothing about messing up your freedom. It to me, they don't make no sense. Some of these people are just crazy or something. I don't know. The people done lost the way to think. If it's right for you, just like abortion. I'm against abortion, but I don't want nobody telling the woman what to do with her body. You know what I'm saying? So why? I mean, I don't understand. They talking about the same people talking about taking people's rights away by making them wear a mask, and the same people against abortion. You know, people telling people what to do with their body. I don't know. It's confusing to me. You all tell me what you think. I don't care. I ain't getting into politics because I can make a whole show, another YouTube page, and talk about politics all day. But I don't want to do it because it makes some people mad, and it ain't like we could talk about stuff. You know, people get mad. You know, they can't talk about. We can't have no discussions. People get mad because, I don't know, their emotions are involved in it or something. I don't know. Personal feelings toward the person they defended. I don't know. All I know is that I'm wearing my mask. If you don't like it, you don't have to wear yours. I don't care. I don't care if that's your right. But I'm going to ask you to, like on this video, I said, wear your mask. But you don't have to, because I ain't got no position of authority. But anyway, all I want to say is that if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, whatever. I don't care. Subscribe. Tell your buddies to subscribe. All that, you know what I'm saying? And wear that mask and be safe out there, y'all. This is it. And so all I got to say is that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.